So the teacher PowerSchool interface is completely different from the student and parent interface. So you can see what students and parents see by clicking on the backpack for a class and then clicking on a student. So this is the default screen that parents and students will see when they log in. Unfortunately, the first thing I'd want to click on would be a student or a teacher's name in order to view their class. That will open up an email program to send you an email, not what you necessarily want. In order for parents and students to actually see a list of assignments, they need to click on the grade. And they can either click on the quarter grade or the semester grade. And I just want to note too that they'd have to click on either of these to see the quarter 2 or exam 1 grade. Notice that there's nothing there. So even if at the beginning of a quarter you've listed a whole bunch of assignments that will be due, nothing will show up here unless there's a grade. So if you click on one of these, I'll click on mine, it'll open up your class page. I have a presentation that I've embedded from Google Slides, and that's pretty easy to do. It's the daily activities. It has links so parents can see what we're doing on a daily basis. And all of this information comes from your gradebook inside of class content. Of course, what's most important to have here is our grade policy, and you can include links. Here are the list of assignments, and any assignment that is blue has a description that you've added to the assignment. Now the blue and the black are pretty much the same and there's no underlining, so you have to tell parents and students that that means they can click on it and get a description. Inside of any description you can put links. You can just copy and paste a URL. Another link could be a comment on a grade. This one, fortunately, is underlined and highlighted. So if you have a comment on a grade, you can click on that grade and read the comment that you placed for that student. So these are things that may not be obvious and will really help parents understand what's happening in your course and help with the communication between you and the families.